In this chapter, these two reactions important, named reactions: aldol condensation and Kennedy-Roth reaction. Here, condensation word. Condensation is there means some smaller molecule is releasing. That is the meaning of condensation reaction. Right. Here, aldol condensation. Some note points here. Aldol condensation के लिए alpha hydrogens required. Alpha hydrogens required in case of aldol condensation. But here should not be no alpha hydrogens. No alpha hydrogens. First point. The second one is here diluted NaOH. This one is concentrated NaOH. Concentrated NaOH. Okay. Now, aldol condensation. First, we will see reaction. CH3 C double bond OH. In two cases, 2 moles we have to take. 2 moles of reactant we have to take. Now, one acetaldehyde and another acetaldehyde is there in the presence of diluted NaOH. First, I will write direct product, then I will explain you mechanism. See, this is the alpha carbon, this is the alpha carbon with respect to this functional group, right? Now, these alpha hydrogens, 2 alpha hydrogens, one of the carbonyl group oxygen, these are removed as a water molecule. So, just remove the water molecule. So, the product is like this: CH3 as it is, CH double bond this carbon, CH. Out of 3, 2 hydrogens left as a water molecule. Remaining only 1 hydrogen, C double bond OH. This is the answer. ये कब लिखना है आंसर? Whenever diluted NaOH. First step. In the second step, heat symbol will be given. Heat symbol. So here byproduct is water. Suppose heat symbol is not there. Suppose heat symbol is not there. In that case, only diluted NaOH is there. There is no heat. In that case, here this one hydrogen is shifting here. It becomes OH. It becomes OH. Similar, same है. But water molecule after leaving, this is the product. Okay. So you have to add water molecule. That is the product. So see, CH3, CH, CH. C double bond OH. ठीक है? Water molecule we should not remove. ठीक है? मतलब इधर H इधर OH होगा. This is the hydrogen, this is the OH. After heating, this is the product. Water molecule leaving, this is the product. So in the question, if it is asking aldol condensation, मतलब ये product. Okay? Only aldol is asking. Only aldol. This is the product. Only aldol. ठीक है? अभी ऐसा aldol or aldol condensation word is not there. Just they given you diluted NaOH and heat. This is the product. If there is no heat, only diluted NaOH is there. This is the product. As simple as that. Condensation मतलब removing water molecule or any smaller molecule. That means this product we have to write. Heat symbol is there means something is eliminating from the group. That's why this is the product. Condensation word and heat, ये दोनों में तो this is the product. If the condensation and heat is not there, this is the product. And here the common name is beta hydroxy. This is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Beta hydroxy carbonyl compounds, CC, carbonyl compound. In generally, whatever you will take, that is common name. अभी इसके लिए 1, 2, 3, 4 butanol and 1, 2, 3 third position 3 hydroxy butanol. IUPAC name is 3 hydroxy butanol NaL. 3 hydroxy butanol. इसका क्या होगा? It is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. कॉमन नेम, ठीक है। सो अल्फा बीटा unsaturated carbonyl compound is a common name. While you are writing the definition, aldol condensation means this aldehyde which is containing alpha hydrogen undergoing condensation in the presence of diluted NaOH forming alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. It is a statement. Then you will give one equation. Now IUPAC name of this, then 1 2 3 4 but ene is there. Where in second position? But 2-ene 1-al, but no need to mention 1-al, just al enough. So but 2-ene al, enal, but 2-ene al. IUPAC name. Okay. Now, in case of Cannizzaro means no alpha hydrogen. So, in the Cannizzaro reaction, you write in the bracket disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. What is the meaning of disproportionation reaction? Only one substance undergoing reduction as well as oxidation. That is called a disproportionation reaction. In inorganic, many reactions are there, but in organic, rare. This is the main important reaction, named reaction. Right. I am taking here formaldehyde because there is no alpha hydrogens, right? Then 2 moles. In the presence of concentrated NaOH. One is undergoing oxidation, other one is undergoing reduction. Oxidation, aldehyde से oxidation, further oxidation क्या होगा वो carboxylic acid. So that is COOH, carboxylic acid. If it is undergoing reduction, that is alcohol. HCOH. Already one hydrogen is there. Take it. One more item. Methyl alcohol, methanoic acid. Okay, oxidation as well as reduction. Molecule का एक ही था. Formaldehyde is converting into carboxylic acid and alcohol. This is the disproportionation reaction. When it will happen? When there is no alpha hydrogens. Sometimes in the competitive exams, they don't give concentrated or diluted also. Just they will give you only OH minus. Only OH minus. Then we have to decide if there is no alpha hydrogen, that is Cannizzaro. If alpha hydrogens are there means aldol. Okay? Just you note down this. Next, crossed aldol condensation and Cannizzaro also crossed Cannizzaro, right? Crossed aldol condensation means aldol condensation already we learned. Here, 2 different type of molecules are reacting. Different types. Kaise different? See, it is the aldehyde. This is the ketone and aldehyde. There, it is aliphatic aldehyde. It is aromatic aldehyde. That's why it is called crossed, right? The mechanism is very simple. Removing the water molecule, right? Here alpha hydrogens, this one also alpha hydrogen, alpha dash is the alpha double dash. Take a sub alpha only. Now first product I am taking this oxygen and alpha dash, right? So see the product, diluted NaOH, heat. Then CH3, CH double bond, CH3 double bond to CH3. This is the one product. Now, ये product कैसे बन गया था? Alpha dash hydrogens I use, right? Now I want to use alpha hydrogens. कैसे? ये 2 hydrogens and this oxygen. See here, 2 hydrogen means I will write this one first. Aldehyde पहले. इसके पहले हाइड्रोजन CH3 था, but 2 हाइड्रोजन्स, this oxygen Here carbon, this is attached to 2 methyl groups. Understood? इतना तक तो aldehyde था. ये first one acetaldehyde, ये तो ketone था. This much is ketone. This oxygen and these 2 hydrogens removed as a water molecule. Everyone. Okay. So I use here alpha hydrogens. Next, if I use alpha double dash, so same answer I will get it. Okay. Alpha dash. Still you can write alpha double dash. This oxygen and these 2 hydrogens. Right? Again I am writing here CH3 as this. Then C double bond go to left. Oxygen. This carbon I am writing. How many hydrogens will be there? 1 hydrogen. Then C double bond go. Then CH3. I use here alpha double dash hydrogen. But these 2 are same. क्योंकि the molecule is same. Suppose here any substitution is there, then obviously different will. This first one and third one is same. Here is a different. Right? Suppose here acetone is there. Here also some other type of acetone is there. Then we will get more than 2 compounds. 3, 4 compounds also we will get it. Is there any other option? No? This much? So this is the cross-aldol condensation. Similarly here, in the previous example, only formaldehyde is there, one formaldehyde getting oxidation, one formaldehyde getting reduction. But here one is formaldehyde, one is benzaldehyde. Now, which one will get oxidation, which one will get reduction? That is based on the reactivity. Now you have to know which is more reactive among these 2. Which is more reactive? Formaldehyde or benzaldehyde? Formaldehyde is more reactive. The more reactive will be getting oxidation. So it is more reactive. Therefore, get oxidation. Gets oxidation. So formic acid is forming then benzyl alcohol CH2OH. pH means benzene ring. Benzene ring CH2OH alcohol is forming. Now mechanism. Aldehydes react with dilute NaOH and forming aldol. If you heat it, water molecule will be moving and forming condensation. Right. Now mechanism में CH3 C double bond OH reacting with OH minus. Base का काम क्या होता है? It will take H plus. From where it will take H plus? ये तो alpha position. From this alpha position, it is receiving hydrogen. ये hydrogen नहीं निकलेगा. ये तो ज़्यादा strong होता है. क्योंकि here already we learned in the class 11 हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन होता है. हाइपर कॉन्जुगेशन मतलब ये 3 hydrogens C double bond OH. When this pi bond is shifted, it is getting positive charge. So this sigma bond is shifting here. ठीक है? तब क्या होगा? ऐसा होता है. Double bond with O minus, right? Now this is in the there is no bond here between carbon and hydrogen. It is also called no bond resonance. That means already bond cleavage तो ready है. Then when if OH minus is there, immediately it is attracting the H plus and removing. Okay, so that's why this hydrogen is releasing as H plus. So here it is forming nucleophile. Now CH2 minus C double bond OH as plus water molecule. ये first step clear. One more aldehyde. CH3 C double bond OH. Aldehyde. So this nucleophile, where it will attack? In generally, this oxygen is negative, carbon is positive. So this negative is attacking here. Right. CH3 C O minus hydrogen as it is connected here. CH2 C double bond OH. H from water molecule and forming here CH3 CHOH, then CH2 C double bond OH plus OH minus. The H is taken from water molecule. So this is the aldol. You can see the aldol. If you heat this compound, water molecule is removed. Again, two probabilities are there. Water molecule either से भी निकल सकते हैं, इधर से. लेकिन we know that Sedgwick rule is telling that more substituted alkene is more stable. So the product is here CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. Here conjugation में भी है और more substituted alkene is more stable. What is that rule? Sedgwick rule. Sedgwick rule. Now, Cannizzaro reaction mechanical. In Cannizzaro reaction, there is no alpha hydrogens. Now I am taking base. So base को चाहिए water molecule generally बनेगा, लेकिन अभी alpha hydrogen नहीं है. So what it will do? It will attack directly. The OH minus is directly attack. Now this OH minus acting as a nucleophile. In first case, the OH minus acting as a base. OH minus का functioning both. It can act as base as well as nucleophile. ठीक है? Depends on the time and conditions. उस टाइम में alpha hydrogen is there, that's why it is taking its place. Now there is no alpha hydrogens good involving in the reaction. Now OH minus attacking here, then H ये तो pi 1 shifted to oxygen, O minus. Then hydrogen नीचे OH. Right. Now, here very important step. When this O minus is coming back, here one of the hydrogen is leaving as hydride ion, electron leakage H minus. So here minus means leaving. Otherwise, you can write the product as a byproduct H minus. What is the product remaining? H C double bond OH. One carboxylic acid बन गया. One is generated hydride ion. Now this hydride ion reacting with formaldehyde. Same oxygen negative, carbon is positive. Partially positive, partially negative. This H minus is attacking here. Now, hydrogens, already two hydrogens are there, third hydrogen came, this is the O minus. Now, it is reacting with, see, is a formic acid. Acid मतलब वो खुद ready to lose the H plus. Yes, so formic acid, it is forming formate ion. That H plus is taken by this alcohol forming H alcohol and carboxylic acid. So that's why in the answers you may find that here Na plus, because we are using NaOH, so salt banega generally, acid becomes salt. Sodium carboxylates are formed. Sodium carboxylates, generally sodium carboxylates, and this one is alcohol. These are the products. Alcohol. This is the mechanism. Now, in case of crossed, I am taking here benzaldehyde as well, formaldehyde. I am taking OH minus. There is no alpha hydrogens. Obviously, the OH minus will attack at carbonyl position. Two positions are there. Now, which is more reactive position? See, O minus carbon plus, here also O minus carbon plus. But see, the benzene, it can gain the electron here according to mesomeric effect. Alpha position, conjugation है ना ये, conjugation position में. So if your configuration, my resonance structure is such oxygen getting minus, remaining either hydrogen. If this pi bond is shifted here, like this, then carbon getting positive charge, remaining two pi bonds as it is. अभी बताओ इधर ये कार्बन के पास, is there any electron deficiency? There is no electron deficient here. ठीक है, but here electron deficient is there. There is no donating groups. Now this OH minus, where it will attack? Two possibilities are there: this position and this position. Where the electron deficient is more, in case of formaldehyde or in case of benzaldehyde? Formaldehyde, clearly plus is there. Here it is fulfilled by this benzene ring. There is no plus. Okay, it is already neutral. Now there is no space to attack OH minus here. That's why the OH minus attacking on the formaldehyde. Where the OH minus is attacking, that molecule becoming carboxylic acid. You can see here. Where the OH minus is attacking, that is only becoming carboxylic acid. The next step only. So you can write it here. So two possibilities are there, but it is rigid. So this is perfect. Then hydrogen O minus OH. Right? Same mechanism. It's coming back, leaving C H C double bond O OH plus H minus. This is the hydride ion shift भी बोलते हैं इसका. Now this hydride ion next reacting with benzaldehyde, partially positive, negative. Obviously it will attack at this position. O minus hydrogen as it is. This is the new hydrogen. Benzene ring. Now already carboxylic acid is there. The carboxylic acid is ready to lose the H plus. So the next step is taking H plus. So carboxylic acid is HC double bond O minus carboxylate. Then this is forming benzyl alcohol. Understood? So obviously base is there means here Na plus will be.